Morning everyone, Tiago Tiskoski, General Superintendent with Coastal Construction here at the Selene condominiums in Fort Lauderdale. We are on the third update of the project on the construction. We are currently at the 11th floor of this tower out of 28 floors. And on the south tower that lags a little bit behind, on the 7th floor right now. We go up to 3rd floor, all garage, 4th floor amenity deck is being built right now, which you guys will see a little bit later today. During the pour of the slabs and getting everything ready now for finishes. Towards to the end of next month, February. We are now receiving windows. We're starting going to close the building and getting the interiors going on right now and being able to still on track on the project to top out by the end of June. At this stage of the construction, even knowing that we are just going with concrete on 11 and 7, and you can see the view that we have, which is amazing.
And this is our update of where the project is today. Really excited to be here and to be able to give you these guys these last few updates, and hope to see you guys soon for another update on how the project is going.